you have removed, Mr. Secretary, the following. Bypass road, 150 each, nawala na. Now, how can we finish the coastal bypass road?
Mukha po ang nangyari dito na sama po siya dun sa paglilinis.
You also remove, I don't know who removed them. You always have budget, and yet you have removed this. And that is why I have to fight for this, because these are our alternate bypass road. And you took out no budget for our bridges, 2 bridges. This is to decongest Cagayan de Oro. The bridges from Makasandig to Makanhan to the 1st District, and from Makabalan, nothing is left.
We will.
Of course, it will be more. That is the situation, Mr. Secretary. How can I not bring this out when our city is being stifled? It is not breathing anymore because of traffic. In Region 10, the district of Congressman Rodriguez is the biggest reduction. Now, how can we be able to explain this? Can you restore this?
To find a way to restore this budget.
My distinguished colleagues, can we have silence in the hall? Can we have silence in the hall? I cannot be heard by the Honorable Secretary. Silent, I can proceed. So, first of all, let me thank and congratulate Secretary Vince Dizon and the officialdom of the new DPWH. And by and large, who have been performing are dedicated public servants. I would wish to therefore state that we agree and we accept the reduction of the budget of the DPWH from the previous submission to the present one to the tune of 29.9% reduction. 255 billion. We agree with that. The call of the times, the Secretary, is to really take away all the flood control projects, and then you also remove duplicate projects, completed projects, overlapping sections in road projects, and very important of all, you remove rock netting, cat's eye, and studs projects, which we do not have in the 2nd District of Cagayan de Oro. Mr. Chairman, Secretary Vince, Cagayan de Oro is a lowland, is a plain below Region 10. With the trains in Bukidnon, the waters fall, all of them go to Cagayan de Oro, my five rivers. Through the years, we have been able to implement with this, our regional director, Lilibet Aparicio, doing very well. And our district engineer, who is #1 in the Philippines, JP Lisondra, we have been able to implement and put, sections and segments, and we have saved the more crucial places where there are many residents near the river. But still, because we only get small allocation every year, the rivers are so long, we cannot complete the flood control. So therefore, I agree that next year we will have none. But can you consider restoring for districts which have been properly implementing flood control? No ghost projects. All flood control are under and always following specifications of the PBWH. Can you therefore tell us that in 2027 we restore them? Otherwise, because this for next year we're going to pray to Saint Augustine, our patron saint, not to have so much rains in Bukidnon, which will fall like December 2011. Can we have the commitment of our Secretary? The 2027, you choose which districts are properly implementing and give back the flood control.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Absolutely po. For 2027, kagaya po ng sinabi ko kanina, I think what we should all do po, which includes obviously our honorable members of Congress, is to really plan the flood control projects properly, beginning from the local development councils to the provincial to the regional development councils. And yun pong mga priority projects which include flood control na alam po natin kailangan ng mga areas tulad ng Cagayan de Oro at iba pang mga low-lying areas sa bansa. Gawin po natin ng maayos, gawin po natin ng tama, planuhin po natin ng mabuti. At yun po ay kinukomit ko po. Kung ako pa po ang DPWH Secretary at that time.
You will be.
gagawin po natin yan, Mr. Chairman. You will have my commitment there po to really do this right, no, sa susunod na budget sa 2027.
Thank you with that particular guidance, Secretary. So we are through with floods. So that's again, next year, that's okay. It's the call of the times. There will be prosecution, investigation, and very happy with the President creating the Independent Commission for Infrastructure. So let's go now to the second issue. The second one is traffic of Cagayan de Oro. There is only one highway from Butuan to Iligan to Cagayan de Oro to Butuan. That is the BCIR Road, Butuan, Cagayan, Iligan Road. Isa lang yan. Grabe na ang traffic dyan ngayon, Secretary. That is why for the past 5 years, we have been able to secure funding, Mr. Secretary, for our bypass roads, our coastal bypass road, our eastern interior road, our other roads, so that we will not hinder the flow of goods and people in the city of Cagayan de Oro. However, Mr. Secretary, you slashed, Mr. Secretary, your team slashed these bypass roads, which are important to be able to have our city survive and breathe and be able to have the flowing of goods. You have removed, Mr. Secretary, the following. Bypass road, package 11 and package 12, 150 each. Nawala na. Now how can we finish the coastal bypass road? You also remove, I don't know who removed them. But for the past 5 years, we always have budget for this. This is tier 1. We always have budget. And yet, you have removed this. And that is why I have to fight for this, because these are our alternate bypass road. You took this out, the bypass road. You took out the eastern interior road, the one on the hills. Then you took out the diversion road, the one in the mountains. And you took out no budget for our bridges, 2 bridges. This is to decongest Cagayan de Oro. The bridges from Makasandig to Makanhan to the 1st District, and from Makabalan, nothing is left. That is the situation, Mr. Secretary. How can I not bring this out when our city is being stifled? It is not breathing anymore because of traffic. Now, we know the responsibility, Secretary. This is only about 900 million. That is why of the Region 10, the district of Congressman Rodriguez is the biggest reduction. Not because of flood control, but because of these bypass roads. Now, how can we be able to explain this to the people of Cagayan de Oro? That because of this flood control, we remove the bypass roads of the city. Yan, that is my problem. When I go back to them, what will happen? This will be dead ends. The 5 years of work in these bypass roads will end this year. And when will it be renewed? So I am appealing to the Secretary. Can you restore this? This is already funded for 5 years. 0 for 2026. Now how can we have that?
Mr. Chairman, I am double-checking po ngayon with our planning office. Mukha po ang nangyari dito na sama po siya dun sa paglilinis dahil I think it was looked at as multiple packages, but we will
of course, it will be multiple package 11, 12. It's a very long coast. It is about 26 kilometers coast. We have finished only, the first phase is finished, Secretary Babe Singson. It took us 9 years, but it was finished. Because every year mayroon. Dito, wala.
Yeah. Mr. Chairman, I'm just in discussion right now with the planning office. So we will find a way to restore this and work with the Committee on Appropriations to restore some, if not the lion's share of those that were removed.
Yes, that is our appeal. We appeal to the Honorable Secretary.
No,
Lilibet is here. Is RD Lilibet here? Yes, Lilibet, no? May ibinigay sa atin on these packages. 50, very small, but the bigger portion. How can you finish this without these new ones?
Opo.
That is what we're asking. Save Cagayan de Oro, Secretary.
Mr. Chairman, you have my commitment po. I've already instructed the Central Planning Office to work with RD Lilibet so that they can find a way to, and I think there is enough space still to be able to find a way to to restore this budget, working with, obviously, with the Committee on Appropriations.
Thank
You
you,
have that
Secretary,
commitment, Mr.
and
Chairman.
God bless you. And
Thank you
St.
po.
Agustin
And
bless
our
you.
apologies, Mr. Chairman.
Thank
Mukhang
you.
nadamay lang po ito dun sa mga dun sa clean up na sinubukang gawin ng department inadvertently, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Secretary Vince. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much.